have this stuff on your eyes. What is that? And I see you got a sock. Whose sock did you get? And now Chester has the sock. Silly boy. Good morning, guys. We are headed to Home Depot bright and early this morning. We actually have to get a new area rug for the dining room, so we're headed out to do that quick prior to going to the wedding that we had planned today. So the concert last night was amazing. We went to see the Eagles and they did a great job. Don Henley actually came out on the stage at the beginning of the show and he's like, we're gonna sing for 2.5 hours because we can. And I just can't believe how good they are. Like, they're so much older and they sound exactly the way they sounded, you know, when they first began the Eagles. They were so great, and Deacon Fry kind of took the place of his father and sang some of his songs, and it was just so great. If you're an Eagles fan, definitely try to check out the concert if it's anywhere near you, because they did such a great job. 2.5 hour show, no intermission. These guys went through the whole show, and Don Henley sang Boys of Summer, and I almost cried because it's been one of my favorite songs ever since I was little. So to actually see him live and singing it was just quite an amazing experience. So anyway, we did get home super late, like 2 a.m. and I slept until about 9, and now we are headed out to get some stuff for the dining room that we're trying to finish up this weekend, and we are headed down the shore in just a little bit. We're actually going to a wedding in Point Pleasant, which is down the Jersey Shore, and it's freezing cold. I'm wearing my coat today. It has gotten really cold really fast, but I'm excited to go to the wedding, and I guess I'll catch up with you guys later. We are going to do some Home Depot shopping. So we're at Home Depot and they have all the Christmas stuff out already. I can't even believe it. I'll just show you guys all the pretty Christmas stuff, but I'm not ready for this. It's not even Halloween yet. Oh, there's a cute Minnie. Aw. That's super cute. Let's take a look around. So this is more appropriate. I am totally getting a couple of these guys. Hey guys, so we just checked into the hotel and I am all dressed and ready for the wedding. Here is the dress that I got the other night at Lord & Taylor, and this little shell purse, and then I have, you guys might recognize this from my No Fuss Halloween costumes, this black shawl, so I'm gonna bring that too, just in case it gets chilly. But yep, that is the outfit that I got for the wedding, and it should be a lot of fun. We're just getting ready to go now. We're waiting actually for an Uber pickup, but I want to try this on and see how it looks because I just grabbed it on the way out the door and I don't know if it's going to go well with this, so let's check it out. I think that'll definitely do the trick. And then I have these earrings. You see it? I got these earrings a long time ago for a previous wedding, and yeah, so should be a great night. And this is cute. The bride and groom left this little bag for us at check-in, and they're getting married at the yacht club in Point Pleasant, so this is very fitting to have this little anchor. And then there's just some goodies in here. We have some Oreos, some Cheetos, some water, and there's some ibuprofen on the bottom, and I'll show you our lovely view. We have a beautiful view of the McDonald's and the Home Depot. Very nice. So, and then also they have towel animals in here. How funny is that? I haven't seen one of these guys since our Carnival cruise, and he has little sunglasses on. I thought that was cute. So yeah, we just got settled in and we are going to be on our merry way. So I don't know if I'm gonna have time to come back and chat with you guys tonight. Like I said, we're going to be at the wedding all night, but if not, I will talk to you guys tomorrow. See you later. So I just wanted to pop back in to say goodnight to you guys. I hope that you enjoyed what I was able to share. I know it wasn't very much, but it was a really beautiful location. I love going to weddings. They're always just like so romantic and nice and good food and dancing and fun. So it was a great time, and I will see you guys in the morning. Good night. Good morning, guys. We just got back from the shore. We were down the shore at the wedding, and we had about an hour and 45-minute drive home. So we just got home. It's just about 12 o'clock, and I have to go pick up Madison from her friend's house because she slept over a friend's house last night so that we could go to the wedding. So the wedding was a lot of fun, and I just wanted to show you guys what the bride and groom sent home for us. So they sent everyone home with these donuts from New York City from like some really nice bakery, and they're really, really good. I got a pumpkin one, which I already ate on the ride home, and then a jelly donut and a blueberry cake donut. So those were really yummy, and that was like kind of a nice gesture. Yep. You can see Emily hopped in the car with me, the blue Crocs. We're gonna go get Madison from her friend's house. So that's where we're at so far. It's gonna be a busy Sunday. I have Patrick's soccer game at 1 o'clock, and then I have to get Emily off to work for 2, and then hopefully we can get the dining room put back together. So if we do, I'll show that to you guys later on. I'll catch up with you later. So I just picked up Madison from her friend's house. We grabbed some quick Wendy's. I've been eating so unhealthy lately, and it's because we've been rushing around so much, but I don't like it, but I have to eat. So I just got a Dave single, and I have a sweet tea here, and I'm headed off to Patrick's soccer game. I only get to stay for a half an hour because I have to actually come back home and bring Emily to work. So got myself a blanket because it's getting cold out, and some Wendy's, and I am off to soccer. So I just got back from Patrick's soccer game. Emily ended up not having to go to work. They called her last minute and told her she didn't need to come in. So the good thing is I got to stay at the game. So that was nice. And he did really well. He scored 3 goals. Or did he make 3 goals? I am like the most like unsporty person in the world. I have no idea. I know he didn't have a touchdown, but he did make 3 goals. So that was really great. And it was really cold out and starting to rain, but luckily we made it through before the rain came. And now I am home, got some laundry to do, have to unpack from our little weekend getaway at the wedding, and start getting the dining room put back together. And here is today's outfit of the day. I really love this outfit. It's very like fall to me. It's very like autumny. This jacket I got like 5 years ago. I just love the color of it and it's so comfy. So I have on my leather jacket and then this yellow top that I got at Kohl's a while back. My jeans that I got from my recent thread up, and my gray little suede booties that I like to wear. Yeah, so I'll talk to you guys later. Quick update, guys, we're getting there. We're about to roll out the new carpet and some of the furniture is put back, and currently I am steaming all of the curtains, and you can see the chandelier is back up and it looks nice and sparkly. Everything is nice and clean. And yeah, we're almost there. It's looking good. Theo and Chester have been watching. Okay guys, so I'm gonna end the vlog here. I still have to finish up some of the stuff in the dining room, and then we are going to get some dinner. As a family, we have a lot to celebrate. Emily got a lead role in the High School Musical this year, so we're really excited. She worked really hard for it. So we're just gonna all go out, have a nice dinner, and maybe do a movie night and go to bed. So I will see you guys tomorrow morning. Good night.